Welcome back. Today we will discuss on LCD interfacing to 8051. Okay. Now it is a LCD is a liquid crystal display unit. It will be replacing with the current LEDs in which the more number of character will be displayed with a clarity. Okay. Now it declines the prices of LCD. The ability to display numbers, characters and graphics will be better than the LEDs. Incorporate with a refreshing controller into LCD, thereby it relieve the CPU usage by refreshing the LCD. Okay. Now when we talk about the LCD, it is made up of 16 column and 2 rows. Okay, means each unit will be displaying a character. Likewise, we will have total 32 characters will be displayed in a unit. Okay, I hope you can imagine it will be look like this. Okay, now here 32. Okay, here let us take, I will draw like this. This is a unit. Okay, now it will be divided into 2 rows. Okay, like this. We start from 0 to 31. Each unit will be displaying a character. Okay, now this is my first row, this is the second row. There are total how many? 32 columns will be there. And if I want to display a character in each unit, okay, it consists of 5 by 7 pixel matrix. Means inside this each unit there are 5 rows and the 7 columns of a pixels to display a particular character. Means if I take here A capital, that is the letter A, in order to display this, okay, it will take 5 rows and 7 columns. Okay, and it will be like if I want to more clarity, it will be differ from the different modules. Okay, now I hope this will be like this is how the unit of a LCD to display a characters. Okay, now the LCD what we'll see, it is consists of 16 pins in the module. The each pin configuration we'll see here how it will be there. Okay, I hope it is very much clear for you. Okay, that is what the unit I have given you. Okay, now this is the unit. Okay, this is a unit. Okay, having 2 rows and the 16 columns, and it is in turn it is interfaced to the 8051, to the port of the 8051, through which the data will be, means information will be transmitted onto the corresponding LCD, and the characters or the numbers or special characters will be displayed onto the monitor. I say monitor, it is a liquid crystal unit. Okay, in the LCD there are like a total 16 pins will be available. Start from 1 to 16. We'll see one by one what are the configuration of each pin will be indicated here. Okay, now this is a standard pin operation. Okay, there is a standard connection. It is made in a kit to display a character. Okay, now as we have seen here, okay, there are like a total 16 pins are available in a LCD. Okay, let us move to the one by one pin operations. Okay, 1 and 2, 1 will be indicated with the ground, 2 VCC, 3 VEE, there is a power supply to control contrast. Okay, the very important pins to display a LCD will be RS. There is a 4th pin of this. At the 4th pin, okay, either it will be 0 or 1. If it is 0, it will select a command register. Means it is a command. Okay, now we'll see how the command will be there. It is a command to the LCD operation. If it is a 1, means it is selected as a data register. Okay, now we'll come to down here. We'll see what you mean by command and the register. Okay, the 5th pin will be used for read or write. If it is 0, it is for write. If it is 1, it is for read. Either you read the data from the LCD or you write the data to the LCD. Okay, now 6th pin will be enabled. There is a input output will be enabled, means before we perform any operation we need to enable this. Okay, there is a information presented to its data bus. Okay, means we need to activate the E pin so that the data will be transferred. Okay, the next will be, there is like a total 8 pins from 7 to 8. Okay, they indicate a data bit bus, means through which the data will be transmitted. Okay, means let us take that if I want to transmit letter A, its ASCII value. Okay, if I take here 41, it will be represented in 8 bit. These 8 bit, there is a ASCII value of A, 8 bit will be transmitted through these buses, these DB0 to DB7 bus, means 41 will be transmitted through the data bits. I hope you understood here. Okay, similarly if I have a 0, okay, its ASCII value will be 30, means it is 8 bit. It will be transmitted through these data bits. Okay, that is what the reading and the writing operation will be performed. Okay, now the 15th and the 16th, okay, they indicate for the backlight. There's a plus, means to improve your backlight. Okay, high as good as you can say contrast, or to decrease the contrast with the 16 and 15 and 16th. Okay, there's much we need not bother about this one much, because for programming purpose we don't use here. Backlight of the LCD which should be connected to VCC, and 16th backlight LCD which should be connected to ground. Okay, there's a contrast. Okay, when you enable here, this will be getting with the activation, means the backlight as as good as like when you switch on, it will be turned as a green colored, some kind of like a screen will be available to display the data bits. Okay, now look at this one. Now before going into this one, okay, I hope I told about a command register. Command registers are nothing but, okay, now total how many bits are available with the LCD? There are the 8 bits. Now if for example before I send a data to the LCD, I have to clear it, right? Clearing is nothing but we need to send a command through the command. Let us say that there will be like command, I'll discuss here one by one. Okay, there's like a XX is a command to clear the unit. There is a display unit, means we will be sending a XX is a command. When we will be sending, when RSC is equal to 0. When RSC is equal to 0 and we transmit from the program as a XX, it will be not considered as a data bits. It will be considered as a command bits, so that it will be think itself that we are performing, means 8051 is sending a command bits to the LCD for a particular operation. Okay, now if I want to shift 1 bit, okay, there is a cursor will be moved to the 1 bit, means I have to send a command. Okay, now if this is a RSC is equal to 1, if the data will be transmitted from the DB0 to DB7, it will be considered not as a command, it will be considered as a data bits. I hope this concept will be clear. This will be depends on like a RS bit. Either it will be 0, okay, if it is 0, command, if it is 1, it is a data. Okay, now these are the particular commands to be used for the purpose of LCD operation. The first, okay, now as I discussed here, if it is like if RS is equal to 0 and the command we sent here is a 01, it indicates that clear the display screen, provided RS has to be 0. If it is RS is equal to 0, if it is 2, return to the home. Okay, decrement cursor. If I make this will be like a 4. Okay, if it is a 4, if the cursor, okay, in the cursor, okay, like this, assume that the cursor is available here. Okay, if it is shift cursor to the left, means how the cursor will go. If you go on displaying, let us take that A, B like this, C like this. This is the cursor. Now the cursor is in which position? C. If I send a command 4, it will decrement, means it will be shift to the left side. I hope you understood. Means what the command is that you sent a command as a 4. If the command is 6, means it will be reverse operation, means the characters will be go on incrementing, means your cursor will be shifting to the right side. Okay, I hope you might have seen in your what you say calculator, the cursor, if you go on typing here, it will shift from left to right, right to left. Okay, that's a cursor. If it is 5, shift display right. 7, shift display left. Okay, display of a operation. Okay, if it is 8, display of a cursor. Okay, if it is 8, display off. Okay, and cursor also off. If it is A, display off and the cursor is on. There will be different. There is a difference here. Display is off and cursor is off. Both will be, it means it will be blank. Display is off but the cursor is on. Only the cursor will be displayed. Okay. Now E, display on, cursor will be blinking. I hope you understood. Cursor will be blinking here. Means there is like if this will be like, if I say this is the cursor, it will be blinking here. You'll find a blinking operation on this. Display on, cursor blinking. Okay. Similarly, if it is a 10, shift cursor position to left. 14, shift cursor position to right. Shifting here. How the data will be shifting? Usually for the, our LCD, it will be go from left to right. Okay, the data bits will be displayed from left to right. Okay, shift the entire display to the right. Force cursor to beginning to first line. If I make here 80, it will be forcing it to display at the first line of this. C0, force cursor to the beginning to the second line. Okay, as we know that the other 2 lines will be there, means 2 rows are there. If you're pointing for the first row, first call, there is a first position, you need to be sent with 80. If it is C0, it will go to the second row. Second row, there is a first position. Similarly, if it is 32, there is a 2 lines for the 5x7 matrix. Okay, there is a 37 we are using it here. I hope you understood this is the command. These are the commands to be transmitted before we perform any operation with respect to LCD. Okay, now there is a step of operation to be used for performing of 8051. Okay, now it is a programming, it is a algorithmic steps what we have mentioned here. The very first one, the step number 1, initialization of LCD. LCD has to be initialized, means it is a power controlled. Second, send the command to LCD. Okay, as we have discussed in the previous slide. Okay, before we perform, either we are reading or from the writing, we need to be send the command through the port. In the third step, writing the data to the LCD, means we need to write the data to the LCD. Okay, in this writing, okay, we need to perform, okay, following step. The initializing LCD, to initialize LCD to the 8051, the following instruction and commands are to be embed into the functions. Means we need to write through the functions to perform a particular operation. Okay, now I hope you understood. 38, I use with the 38, means 2 lines 5x7 matrix. Okay, FH, for making LCD on and initializing the cursor. If I make here FH, okay, FH, 0FH. Okay, I hope you understood here. Okay, there is no H hexadecimal here. F and H means what? Cursor on, cursor blinking. Okay, 6H, 06H means what? 06H, increment cursor shift to right, means as I told, we are going from left to right. Okay, now here the 6, okay, it is a 6 command. I hope you can see. 6th command is to increment the cursor. Okay, it is a command to be sent here. Okay, and 1 for clearing the LCD. Once the data will be, okay, displayed, it need to be cleared here. okay, through the sending of 1. Now once the command will be sent through the port bits, the next we need to send the data to the LCD. Okay, now as I told, we need to enable again. Okay, now before we send a data bits to the LCD for display, we need to make enable to be high. Okay, as we have discussed here, enable has to be high. Okay, now how do I make it here? By enable pin should be high. And what the here now RS1. Okay, now RS1 will be 1, means whatever the data you are transmitting through the ports is not the command, it will be a data bits. Okay, now there is a RS will be 1. If it is 0, it will be considered as a command. If it is 1, it will be considered as a data bits. Now place the data onto the data register. Now we need to be whatever the data to be transmitted or to be displayed onto the LCD, we need to be put this data onto the data registers. Now the next part is that whether you are doing with the read operation or the write operation. If it is 0, okay, or it will be 1. Okay, as indicated here. Now if it is for 0, for the writing. If it is for the 1, you are reading the data from the LCD here. Now okay, this is what the crystal, okay, in which, okay, the circuit diagram what we have shown here in the previous slide. Okay, the LCD will be connected with a crystal oscillator, that is a XTEL1 and XTEL2. Okay, as we know, it is producing with like a 11.0592 megahertz of frequency. The clock will be, okay, there is a system clock, okay, to the microcontroller. The data pins and the remaining pins are connected to the microcontroller through the pins. Okay, since the potentiometer is used to adjust the contrast of the LCD. Okay, there is like a potentiometer will be in the board. You may see, okay, through which you can adjust the contrast of the LCD. Okay, and also, okay, now if you're performing with the read and the write operation, okay, for with the along with like a RS command, okay, there is a 10th bit and the 11th bit. Okay, there is a port 3.3, 3.4 and 3.5. Okay, there is a read, write or RS pins to be enabled through the ports. There is the port number 3, third bit. There is a 3.3, 3.4 and 3.5. Okay, before we proceed with the programming actually with this one, okay, these are the very most important steps, okay, to be covered up, okay, for performing, for initializing your LCD to display the data onto the monitor. Okay, I say monitor, it is nothing but here liquid crystal display unit. Okay, it consists of 2 rows, 16 columns. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, you can write the program for this for the following steps to make utilize with the interfacing card. Thank you.